Hello everyone, welcome to how to browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a gradient background in Davinci Resolve. So that's pretty simple. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Now I'm going to show you what you have to do. First, let's enable the media pool and grab your video and drag it into the timeline. And once you're done that, what you have to do is to enable the effects panel. And now we have to go to the search bar and here write texture background. Okay, make sure you are in the generators toolbox. And here, let's grab this and drag it under our video. Okay, and now as you can see, here we have our video. Okay, and now, okay, select the texture background we just added here. We drag here under our video. And now, please go to enable inspector element, and here we have to go in gradient. Okay, we have controls and gradient. Please do it so. And then from here we can change the gradient. We can change the color. I'm gonna add this color and then black color. Okay, actually this color. Okay, and now from here you can control the light. You can change the contrast. You can add detail. You can change the brightness. Or if you want something very simple, just drag the all the way down. Okay, drag the contrast, this bar, and you don't want, if you want just a simple gradient. Okay, you can change the angle from here, and you can enable this. Looks good if you like. And here we have, if you only two colors, but that's not really gradient. Here we can change a couple of settings and cell repeat or a couple of options. You can play with these options if you want. But overall, that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And if you learned something, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. And also, if you have any suggestions related to DaVinci, something that you'd like to know to learn, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.